Hey guys, Dan for World of Mr. Grey, Dan Darth the Grey. Once again, I am standing up because I don't want to sit down. Camera's out of focus, then. But I thought I'd give a quick channel update because some stuff over the next few months might be happening. My brother's moved out, right? My brother's moved out this weekend, so I got the place to myself finally. When he moved into the other house I was in almost like a year ago, so I can be loud as I want to be. Maybe not that loud because I got neighbours as well. But I thought the landlord has finally sold my house. This house, not my house, this house. So no matter what, I got until end of January to move out. Find a place, which I've been looking. Everything's really expensive. So I don't know what's going to happen then with this channel I'm talking about. Like, for a long while now, I've been mentally drained. It's because of, like, the house stuff, but it's mostly because of my work. I'm not going to go on with my day job again. It sucks the ever-living existence of my will out of my body every single day now. So. But hey, it's a job, isn't it? That's what people keep telling me. But, yeah. I've been mentally drained for a while. Mentally drained out of my brain for a while. So I haven't been 100%. I really haven't for a long time now. I'm talking about anything in this channel, in me, whatever, right? Getting too personal there, so I'm gonna, take it up a notch. But my plan is now, I got until end of January to find a house, right? So my plan is I'm gonna dedicate as much as my time to this channel now, because I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen after that. If I do find a house, or if I find like a bloody tiny little flat, I can't get internet. This channel might not exist anymore. That might be the end of this, and just like that, I'm gone. That's a little bit dramatic, I must admit, but I generally don't know what's going to happen after January 2024. So I genuinely don't know. So what my plan is for the next 3 or so months, I'm going to make as much stuff as I can for this channel. Get as many videos, I'm going to get as many videos out as I can. And bring some other stuff back, like Top 5 Stupid, dedicated comments video I haven't done for a while. Obviously, debunking videos, breakdown videos. I'm going to do some, what are they called? What do they call them? Other things I used to do, what are they called? How-to videos. How to make this scary go scary. I also, hopefully, fingers crossed, if I can get off my fat ass to film it, and and work doesn't destroy my soul. I'm hoping to have a Halloween out on Halloween or the night before or the night after. Probably the night before, because, who wants to watch a Halloween video after the night after? It's weird. But, yeah, that's my plan for this channel. I'm going to give it my 110%, because I have not been going at 100%. For a while now, mainly because stuff outside of this channel, it's draining me. It's big time, proper draining me. So yeah, I just thought I'd give a quick, tiny little update. Oh god, I hate talking about my own shit when there's all kinds of horrible shit going on in the world right now. My life's fine. My life's fine. Forget what I just said. My life is fine. I have nothing to worry about. The channel is going to take a bit of an upturn for the next couple of months, and who knows after January 2024. I don't know what's going to happen yet, because I haven't found a house. Houses are ridiculously expensive right now, and my broke little ass can't quite afford a good house. Maybe I'll just move up the mountain and live off the land. I don't know. Can't get internet up there, mind. So unless I win the lottery, there you go. I'm going to quit my job. I'm going to quit my job right now and buy a lottery ticket. That's how it works in movies. That's how it works to the protagonist in movies. They quit their job on the spot and everything works out fine for them. That's what I'm going to do. But anyway, just a quick update. I will be back hopefully the next day or two. I'm hoping to do some lives this week. Hoping to do some videos. Fingers crossed. But I'm definitely going to try my damnedest now to get as many videos as I can out before January 2024. Because you don't know. You just don't know. I'm being extremely pessimistic. I do apologize. Do you know what that says? Milk is for babies. I'm a big Arnie fan. But anyway, I'm going. And I'll see you sometime soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.